Yeah, we're back out here again. Again. Gotta get all these reps in before I go to class anyways. Yeah, I gotta go to a grade check in class. Go learn how to read grade in dirt. But yeah, it's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna have nothing to do over there, so I'll be able to edit all these clips that I've been taking and post them. But yeah, the only thing is I can't take my I don't have a way to get my bike across the pass right now. I can, yeah. And if I could, then I'd probably be doing some wheelies in Ellensburg, but alright, I don't know. I kinda wanna do some straight line stuff. That's kinda what I'm feeling right now. Ain't gonna lie. Been doing a lot of circles lately. Let's see what we can do. Foot over. One handed. Wata ting ting, wata ting ting. But yeah, I don't know. I have to. So tomorrow it's Sunday. I might be able to get a couple hour session in before I head off to class. Well, yeah, but yeah, I'll be out of town for 2 weeks. So yeah, not gonna be the most productive wheelie time for me, that's for sure. There's another bike out. He was on the main road though. Not in the law, obviously. Wata ting ting, wata ting ting. Oh, it's so calming to be out here. Oh, I stressed all day because it was just mad downpouring all day, hailing and everything. But cleared up, so we're out here getting some circle wheelies in. I hate going over sewers and manholes. I always feel like I'm just gonna slip right off of it, especially on one wheel. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be super stressed out for the next 2 weeks because oh man, I'm just eating this stuff up right now, and I just want to be on the bike as much as I can. Yeah, I was just watching. I did the whole Harry Potter marathon this weekend too. Yeah, I forgot how good those movies are. Watched all of them Harry Potter. Man, McGonagall, that's my favorite character. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, at the end, ooh, no spoilers. I know everyone's seen it, but McGonagall. Go the other way. Ooh. Well, let's try both feet up and see if I can. Oh, God, no. Man, that'd be sweet to get in there. Get some wheelies in there. Yo, what is this song? It keeps doing like the Roblox oof sound. It's cracking me up. Oh, it's always got to switch right when I... Almost, there should be a jump right there. Whoop! Oh yeah, I'm still recording, huh? Thought my battery died. And I was like, I don't feel like changing that. I think I'm just gonna go till this battery dies, and then I'm probably gonna just be out of here for the day. Woo, woo, woo. That one in it. Let's do a couple one-handers. Okay, I still got the little switch to knee knocker there. I definitely yanked this bike back a lot quicker than the FZ. It's a lot lighter, but I think we got it on this next one. I haven't done that trick on the Grom yet. That was fun. Kind of want to hit another one of those. Oh, I can't get back down though. Oh, one of my pegs just hit the back of my calf. I got a dead leg now. Let's see, I don't need that leg though. just gonna be hanging off my bike anyways. That's it though. I gotta get home.